By the way, this is Teacher Lynn from Kindergarten 2. I hope you're doing good today and you're safe. So today we are going to learn about science. Are you excited to learn more about plants, animals, and some other stuffs here? Let's go.
Cooking. There are many ways to cook with heat, such as boiling, frying, toasting, and grilling. Now, write down in the box the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 to arrange the ways of cooking in sequence. So we have here cutting the kale. This is the whole kale, cooking, and the finished product. So which one should come first? Of course, the whole kale. Right, number 1. And then after that, you need to cut it, right? So I want you to write number 2. And then after you cut it, you will cook it. That's right. And after you cooked it, of course, you will serve it. You will put it on a plate or in a bowl, right? Okay, so write number 4. So again, first, this is the whole kale. You cut it, you cooked it, and you put it in a plate. Okay, next one. Frying the egg, putting it in a pan, fried egg, and eggs. Okay, so which one should come first? Of course, you need to have an egg. And then after that, you need to crack it, right? And put it in a pan with a fire. And then you wait for a couple of minutes. And of course, once it cooked, then you have fried egg. On this part, we have here the chicken that is being fried in a frying pan, 2 sets of chicken, whole chicken, and fried chicken. So of course, number 1 is whole chicken, and then you cut the leg part or the drumstick. So this should be number 2. After you cut it and you prepare it, you need to cook it in a pan. And of course, once it's cooked, then you will have a fried chicken. Okay, so next, I want you to turn your book to the next page. Page 24. Let's make a jelly. Write down in the box the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 to arrange the ways of making jelly in sequence. Of course, we have here stir well, pour hot water into jelly powder, put instant jelly powder in the bowl, pour it into the cooking molds, and wait for the jelly to cool. Okay, of course, the very first thing that we need to do is to put instant jelly powder in the bowl. We need to prepare the jelly powder. After we prepare it and put it in a bowl, of course, we need to put hot water. Okay? And then, after we put the hot water in the jelly powder, you need to stir it to dissolve the powder. And after that, after you stir it well, you need to pour it into the cooking mold and wait for the jelly to cool. So now, after you cool it, or after you cooked it, and after you mold it, and after you wait for the jelly to cool down, what will happen next? Okay, so write down check in the box for the result of making jelly. So after you cooked it, what will happen? It will still be a liquid, or it will form into something different. Of course, it will form into something different, or since you put it or you mold it earlier, then this should be the finished product, right? Okay, so checked it. Okay, kids, so I hope that you understand our lesson for today.
Good job, kids. I hope that you learned something for today. By the way, don't forget, once you finish answering your book, please take a photo and send it to me. Goodbye.